Aurangzeb's tomb is currently at the center of controversy. Protesters have begun demanding its removal, but the real question is, can the Maharashtra government demolish the site? Let's find out. Before we discuss whether the government has the power to dismantle the tomb, let us get a bit into its history and significance. Aurangzeb, the 6th Mughal emperor, died in 1707 in Maharashtra's Ahmednagar district. According to his will, he was buried in Khuldabad near the shrine of his spiritual guru, Sheikh Zainuddin. His tomb is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958. Aurangzeb's rule played a crucial role in Indian history, marking his tomb an important historic site. Unlike the grand tombs of other Mughal emperors, Aurangzeb's burial site is simple. The tomb is part of a larger historical complex in Khuldabad, which includes other notable tombs and shrines. The site is a religious and cultural landmark visited by historians and pilgrims alike. The Maharashtra government does not have the authority to denotify Aurangzeb's tomb. As a monument of national importance, the power to delist the site lies with the central government under the AMASR Act 1958. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis acknowledged the legal protection of the tomb but assured that only Shivaji Maharaj would be glorified in Maharashtra. He warned against any glorification of Aurangzeb, stating that strict action would be taken against those who support his ideology. The ASI, established in 1861, is responsible for the preservation and protection of India's historical sites. The organization operates under the AMASR Act, overseeing over 3,600 protected monuments across the country. Aurangzeb's tomb remains under ASI's jurisdiction as part of India's cultural and historical heritage. The demand for demolishing Aurangzeb's tomb has ignited political and communal tensions in Maharashtra. While the site remains legally protected, the debate over its significance continues. But I want to ask you all, do you think the tomb should be removed or do you believe it should be preserved? What is your take on this? Share your views in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press channel. Thank you for watching.